very fortunate and thank you, Mr. Professor Pathak and my officer. She has told me I was quite confused, a little bit Vatika, because I have seen Vatika, what my apartment's name is Vatika. So what I was thinking, what is the exact topic, how it is correlated with science or something. Even though out of my own interest, meeting sir also, I have been associated with IIT Kharagpur like over the last 8 years. So I know a lot many professors who are food specialists, who are specialized in a very particular, super specialization. So my purpose for coming here to interact more with you intimately or immensely, I can get some benefit out of it. So I have joined in this department only 1.5 months. Whatever Professor Ghosh was telling, exactly I am in consonance with his view, very much in consonance, because I have worked in entire state except Kuch Bihar and Jalpaiguri. I have worked in Purulia, worked in Bankura, worked in Birbhum, worked in Howrah, worked in West Midnapur, worked in as a presidency commissioner, as a commissioner of Bardhaman division, worked in Darjeeling very recently, 6 months, Gorkhaland territorial administration. So I worked in entire hills, Kalimpong, Mirik, Sonada, everywhere. I have visited almost more than 1,000 villages. So I am very much with you, and I am really taking cue from your only thing. Yes, I can feel your pain. Same, I am sharing my pain too. The lab to learn what my madam was telling, what Professor Pathak was telling. This is the sole purpose with which I have come here. How can we correlate more? Because this has pained me throughout my career. Over the last 20 years, I have been district magistrate for 4 districts. 4 districts mein 10 years. So whatever you're telling, Jharia Kocha, in Jaipur, in Bankura, sir is from Bankura, then you must be knowing, sir, Hidband, entire 212 village in Jungle Mahal, lot many work, lot many afforestation. You were talking about Nalanda, I hail from Nalanda in Bihar. You go, the lateritic soil, how they have all green cover in Nalanda, Rajgiri, Silao is the area. So they have made it almost same soil, lateritic soil, red soil, sometimes Chernozem soil, something Sirozem, Chernozem, something like that. So I have worked in a MSME as a director, then I went frequently. I have seen your laboratory also. There, when Babu Supriyo was minister, heavy industry, he has made a laboratory of 80 crore. I don't know what use, how it is being put to use now, but I really wanted to make your dream true, and that it is very much scalable also. This is the only purpose I have come here, only. You are telling na, I am deciding, it is not your problem, systematic problem. Where are we lacking? We talk about pollution, talk about fly ash, talk about e-waste management. These are all lacking. Every office is full of CRT monitor, keyboard, teleprinter, electronic printer, no place to keep. Is there any unit which can process the e-waste? No. So we are talking about environment, ambience. When I was in Darjeeling, then there is a place 26 hai, on Nepal border. 26 hai, Matri Parvat, Pitri Parvat. Every other person who is going to Darjeeling at least plant a tree there in the name of mother and father. It is 2 hillocks. Is this side Nepal, this is 26 hai, this is Pasupati, this is Sonada, this is Tung. ये सब जितना भी रास्ते में है, तो like that it's almost win Darjeeling. It's a good place to, and I am agree with Dr. Saab also. My wife is a doctor, she is eye surgeon. So she keep telling me about the mobile, radiation, screen time, blue ray reduction, red ray reduction. So these are our challenges. I have written a good book on this. Mobile, the Millennium Menace. You are telling me after 70s, nothing has happened. I do share my idea, all the development in the heavy industry or whatever is there. All forest policy 1972, Green Revolution, Yellow Revolution, White Revolution, all came before. You were talking about poll. I have seen it. Polling station is in primary school or high school. Polling station location is fixed. Midday meal is going on. Midday meal mein there is a garden, kitchen garden. It's a mandatory. But how many schools have this kitchen garden? How many? For that we have midday meal fund. For we have MGNRG fund. For we have sufficient fund. Sufficient fund, I am telling you, to fund any good project. We do have biotechnology park. We do have tissue culture, banana tissue culture, papaya tissue, a lot many things. And scalability has to be there. This is the only purpose of being the head of this department. Otherwise, my money is with me, and I can tell you the parallel institution and organization. Like the Orchid Research Institute, Darjeeling, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, no research. Let me, frankly, my bungalow was next to that only. I have never seen lock opened. Second was Bose Institute. headquarters Calcutta. Both institute, I have never seen a single research scholar. There is a big building at crore rupees that is for the development of scientific temper among the school going students, but I have not seen even a single program there. These are the gaps. Like CSR has 36 laboratory. 36 laboratory mein I have worked with 10. National Physical Laboratory Delhi, Patel Nagar. Then worked with Center for Advanced Material Research Institute Bhopal, CMP for fly ash, for tetrapod, for coastal erosion. So these all the technologies, and you are really, really knowledgeable person. I am nothing. Whatever experience I have gained, it is in the field. You go to Jharia, Kocha, Jaipur, you will find mango orchard. Land belongs to Mohanty, but Mohanty are least interested in doing agriculture. Tribals are their Sabor, they are the primitive tribe. In all 212 villages, they are very, very primitive. So, बस उनका जमीन, मेरा आइडिया, पंचायत का इन्वॉल्वमेंट 40, 30, 30 हो गया 100. नाउ जमीन वाले 40 ले जाओ, 30 ले जाओ, अब बाकी 30 दे दो पंचायत को, नो डिस्टर्बेंस. MOU साइन कर लिया तो ऑल दिस ग्रीन ऑर्चर्ड यू कैन सी झरिया कोचा. सिमिलरली यू कैन सी वहाँ लिमसेखा ग्राम पंचायत इन कलिम्पोंग, लास्ट ग्राम पंचायत. दैट ग्राम पंचायत में 10 प्रोग्रेसिव फार्मर्स दे आर डूइंग एरोमेटिक प्लांटेशन. कालो तुलसी, राम तुलसी, then citronella. Go to Mongpu, citronella. They are making hydrosol, that is a base for deodorant. Something they are making mosquito repellent oil, very pungent and very good also. So these things are there at the ground. Only we have to communicate. Lot many institutions are doing parallel job, but they are not talking. We are working in silos, and we are happy with our work. And I think my work is the best. And rest people, they are what they are doing, God knows. है ना? This is the.
I have visited 25 countries. Our West Bengal, particularly India as a whole, number one in environment, soil, water resource.
देखिए आज का example, today example I am telling you. Today turn the page of Times of India and Hindu. Both there you will find Biotechnology Council at Department of Science and Technology Ministry, Government of India. They are doing revolutionizing agriculture using drone technology. Revolutionizing. So AI, additive technology, madam was telling precision agriculture. This is all precision. You can 150 liter water. You can use same pesticide you mix in 10 kilometer and spray through drone. Effect is same. The manpower man days required is only 5 to 7 minutes for 1 acre using drone. But unproductive or underemployment is there for agriculture. For one job, 2 person are working. So like that, lot many things are there, sir. I know the gap. I have worked in Birbhum also. You were talking about mine. कौन सा mine है नया खुल रहा है coal mine? New है ना? एक new coal mine. Government of West Bengal is opening. Lot many challenges. Lot many rehabilitation. Lot many forest depletion. Something. So how to regenerate all those things? How to make entire cover green? Something. These are challenges. I can tell you 200 challenges in Bengal. Bengal has coastal. Bengal has hills. Bengal has tea. Bengal has Kalimpong coffee. Bengal has orchid. How many people in Kalimpong are doing orchid? Orchid Research Institute is there. Something like. So we would like to associate with all of them, so that something productive could come out, and ultimate, at most benefit must go to the people. That really pains me. Why I am sitting here? If I am sitting at the helm of the affair, I am unable to do something, then it's useless. So IIT से सर खासकर से self life of मिहिदाना, सीता भोग of बर्धमान, self life of सरपुरिया, सरभाजा, परमनदिया, Krishnanagar. These two places I was DM. Both are full of paddy. Hooghly is full of potato. Potato Research Institute is in मिदनापुर, ताला बंद. पूछ लो कि देखिए. दूसरा शिमला, वो खुला लेकिन हम वहाँ नहीं पहुँचा. Something, potato research, vast area. We bring potato seed from Punjab. Why can't we grow ours? Something, 70% pulses we are importing from Canada and Australia. But we are talking about protein deficiency. But we are not incorporating this my food habit. You are talking about soybean. You know Madhya Pradesh soybean largest export करता है. Raiganj, they are trying it very hard. Raiganj, starch, major starch. These all field has lot many inherent potential. This is what agriculture is the mainstay of economy in Bengal. There's no doubt about that. Second employer is MSME. The MSME I have worked 4 years. MSME में all industry, we are talking about industry collaboration. These three verticals. One is financial institution, one is MSME units, one is your ideas, 4 is my fund, and collaborating effort. With all this we can go ahead. And you are very true, we are all concerned about the way we live in. I have read a book, Dr. Sareen, Own Your Body. He has told the same thing what you are telling, sir. Don't go to doctor. I went to a doctor, sir. My wife is a doctor. I told never discuss health issues. She is in Kankara Medical College. They are also in Parasat. So I told her, Manoj Agrawal is a doctor in Bellevue. Sir, सब टेस्ट किया, क्या क्या MRI, CT स्कैन, इंडोस्कोपी, कोलोनोस्कोपी, सब टेस्ट. अब अंत में कहा बायोप्सी भी कर देंगे क्या? Something what came out, SGOT, SGPT, this high, sugar 130. तो और उससे पढ़ के डर लगता था. कभी इधर छूते थे, कभी इधर छूते थे, किधर गड़बड़ है ना. लेकिन लिटरली आई एम टेलिंग यू, द मोर यू स्टडी योर बॉडी. मैं विपासना कोर्स करने जाता हूँ हमेशा रेगुलर कर्मयोगी. विपासना कोर्स आई गो टू गोरेगांव मुंबई. 10 days, no mobile, no book, no talk. Before 5 p.m. you eat whatever you want, sleep early, and early 4 o'clock you get up. Very 8 घंटा का प्राणायाम सब आसन फासन सब. तो इट्स अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस आई एम टेलिंग. Sorry, I took a lot of time.
The science behind it. You know, our Earth is revolution 24 hours a day. Our sun gets up at 4:35, 5:30. The birds starts chirping.
Yes.
They wake us up. We don't get up. So what happens? By evening 5:30 to 6, when the sun is setting down, our retina is not getting that sunlight. So we start getting melatonin, which is the hormone producing sleep. That reaches the peak at 12 o'clock and gets down by 4:30, which is the Brahma Muhurt. Now, students, the IT professionals, they work up to 1:30, 2:30. You are not taking that peak of melatonin. Now your sleep will be REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep, where your brain is not sleeping, you are sleeping. Brain get exhausted. Morning, you're not feeling fresh. You are exhausted. You're not able to concentrate. Studies, students not able to memorize the thing. And if you get up, they say there's a lot of studies you have to do. You sleep at 10 o'clock, get up at 4 o'clock, get up at 3 o'clock. The peak of 12 o'clock, you have to take it. Sound sleep every day. All of us, newborn to old age, our brain is rewiring with what is happening in your whole day, positive or negative. Positive feeling, negative feeling. It's rewiring and making your brain a new brain. So that rest period is required for repair of the brain, and then only you can work fresh in the morning. And that's why at that time we get a hormone called corticosteroid, which gives us a feeling of well-being. So this has got so much of importance.
145 crore population in our country. We have not got single gold medal because of malnutrition.
Yes. Just to end, I will add this Vipassana mein, they teach only 2 things, sir. First, you steady your mind, control your nisas, and exhale, inhale. First 3 days you concentrate here only. Then start concentrating and going down to the entire body, scan. First thing, whatever you communication is the first part of the mind. Whatever you perceive, whatever you see is the communication. Communication is raw data, which is not processed data. Then comes perception. Once you add value to it, the communication becomes more useful for you. Then you started interpreting it something. This is a black box kind of thing. Whatever you goes in, something will come out. The communication is like that. But perception. Third, whatever you are talking just now, sir, this is sensation. This is third part of the brain. Sensation tells you whether it's a bad sensation or pleasant sensation. Bad sensation, Bangla te rag. Bangla te rag. No bad bad rag, Bangla te. Hindi te rag means pyar. हिंदी में राग मने प्यार, बांग्ला में राग मने अनुराग मने और प्यार, विराग मने लेस प्यार. तो ये जो बैड सेंसेशन, गुड सेंसेशन इज प्लेजेबल सेंसेशन. यू समबडी टेल्स यू आप बहुत अच्छे ऑफिसर हैं, अंदर खुश हो गया. कोई बोल दिया इससे घटिया आदमी नहीं हो सकता, बहुत दुख हो गया. तो ये राग एंड द्वेष, दिस टू आर द फीलिंग्स विच कम्स इन योर माइंड एंड कीप ऑन कमिंग. वंस यू मेक इक्वानिमिटी, बोथ इक्वानिमिटी, समता का भाव, जिसने इस पर कंट्रोल कर लिया वही रिएक्ट नहीं करेगा. दिस इज द फोर्थ पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन, रिएक्शन.
No, actually we have
don't react it.
our brain have the limbic system and precortical is the prefrontal cortex.
Sir.
So limbic system receives these sensations. Then our body starts telling what you have to do. Now your prefrontal cortex tells this is good, this is bad. Now you have to decide what is good. Now until as you use that intellectual brain, your emotional brain will grow up, and intellectual brain will go down. So growth of emotion will grow up, and you will be driven by emotion throughout your life, doing wrong things. So until as you use the intellectual brain, then it will start coming up, and it help you to take proper decisions. This is what I have teach to students and
Also to bring the whole
Yes, sir.
circle back.
This is the purpose of scientific interpretation is there, sir. What is this spiritual interpretation? Sir, only last word I will add, sir, this thing. The even कृषि विकास केंद्र है हम लोग यहाँ, कृषि विकास केंद्र.
कृषि विकास, हाँ हाँ.
It's underutilized. It's underutilized, I'm telling you. अश्वगंधा and all कल्याणी में होता. जाइए कापकाड़ी मोजा जामबनी ब्लॉक in Jhargram. They have German collaboration. What wonder they are doing. What others KVK are not doing. So really I wanted to integrate with all this. Yes, sir, all this kind of thing.
Yeah.
Or where we live, it's only not only greenery, sir. Peace of mind is most important.
Sure.
I am writing 2 other books. One is writing Tide Head and Tide Desire. बहुत इच्छा थी, नहीं कर पाया. दूसरा मिस्टेक बाई मिस्टेक, हमसे क्या गलती होगी कि हम इस नौकरी में आ गया. सही बता रहा हूँ. It happens once you get into, then you come to know the reality. And बाहर से तो अच्छा दिखता है. अरे बहुत बड़ा फूल है वो. विनीत गोयल सर नहीं आए, ये तो
नहीं आए थे बोल के गए.
कमिश्नर पुलिस कलकत्ता also, है ना. तो literally sir, with your kind permission, really I would like to associate myself. I know every other district, every other block बढ़िया से. इसीलिए जिस धर्मदा ग्राम पंचायत है, नकाशीपाड़ा ब्लॉक, नदिया जिला, धर्मदा बिलो ग्राम, most visit 2 farmers, how wonder they can do. Jarvera cultivation, color capsicum, greenhouse, pollinate house, Israel Kanat irrigation system, minimum water usage, micro demineralized water used in micro irrigation, fogger system, sprinkling system, drip system. So everything is Bengal. Bengal has everything. Bakura is best district. Best district Bakura. सही. मुकुटमणिपुर डैम, वहाँ डैम है इतना बड़ा, इधर मछली छोड़ते हैं तो पूर्णिया में भाग जाता है. तो बॉर्डर ही नहीं है ना. बिग वाटर बॉडी इन ड्राई एरिया, एरिड सेमी एरिड जोन, जीरो फाइटिक प्लांटेशन, सब कुछ है. अजय सेरिकल्चर एक्टिविटी इज टू मच. गोटी भागलपुर चला जाता है, घाटशिला से उधर चला जाता है. ये सब इधर पिलफरेज सस्ते में ले लेता है ट्राइबल से. झीली मिली है ना, झीली मिली, 12 माइल जंगल, रानी बांध, सारंगा, सिमलापाल, तालडंगरा, हिड बांध, छातना. एवरी अदर प्लेस हैज ए ज्योग्राफिकल indicator. Your singing ball is there, you know where it is being made. In village, in Kenjiakuda, छातना जिला, छातना ब्लॉक, केंजियाकुड़ा. गमछा बांधे हैं वो भी केंजियाकुड़ा, है ना. यस, छतना, उस गंगा जल घाटी, उसके पीछे भी डैम है एक, है ना. फिर मेजिया, सालतोड़ा, बरजोरा, ऐसा ना. तो लाइक दैट एवरी अदर प्लेस है ज्योग्राफिकल इंडिकेटर. वो देखिए वहाँ विष्णुपुर, बालूचरी साड़ी, जाइए धनिया खाली, वहाँ साड़ी, जाइए नदिया फुलिया, वहाँ ढाकाई साड़ी. जब भरा हुआ है, जाइए हिडवान, शाखा पुला, शाखा हिडवान, एक विलेज, श्रीलंका साता समाज बनाता वहाँ का आर्टिजन. इन बंगाल इज फुल ऑफ आर्टिजन, फुल ऑफ आर्टिस्ट. पटुचित्र, पिंगला, देखिए है ना, कांसा, मुर्शिदाबाद, खगड़ाहाट. तो एवरी अदर प्लेस, गो टू नॉर्थ, ऑल टी बगान, ऑल कॉफी, सब कुछ है सर.
Lacking one thing, business and export is lacking.
उसी लिए बोल रहा हूँ सर. एक्सपोर्ट काउंसिल, एवरी अदर प्रोडक्ट, 7 एक्सपोर्ट काउंसिल आर देयर. इंजीनियरिंग एक्सपोर्ट काउंसिल, सेलेक्ट एक्सपोर्ट काउंसिल, फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट माइनस प्रोडक्ट, सब कुछ आता है
सर. लोगों का involvement, I think the whole issue is people's involvement, and that is why I want to circle the whole thing back and just close this so that we can go to the keynote.
Sir, with your kind permission, I will come to one day. Subject wise, I will discuss with your team. I know SRIC very well. I have written lot many letters to SRIC also, sir. A sponsored research or something. And H.N. Misra, sir, he was a food specialist. He was working for this self life of Mihidana, Sita Bhog. These are required. Corona time, no guideline, nothing. I was district magistrate in Corona time. केरला से गाड़ी आता था, रात भर बैठा रहता था, क्या करे, RT-PCR टेस्ट, माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट लगाना है, लैब खोलना है, आइसोलेशन सेंटर खोलना है, क्या का कोई गाइडलाइन नहीं. लास्ट डेट WHO एक्सपर्ट आया, हम कि अब क्यों आए हैं, कहा फोटो खिंचा के नेट में डालने आए हैं कि हम मिला, हमका नहीं खिंचाएगा समथिंग. तो सर, योर आइडिया इज़ वेरी गुड. नाउ आई बीन मेड वेरी क्लियर. उनके बुक भी देखे, ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग सब. काइंडली सर, कोलैबोरेट विथ अस एंड डोंट थिंक यू आर ओल्ड. ओल्ड इज ऑलवेज, you have wealth of experience which we can't have, even we try we can't have it, है ना. तो
नहीं, ये क्योंकि आप विपස්සना की बात मेंशन किए, इसलिए इससे क्लोज कर देता हूँ इसको. क्योंकि आज गोयनका जी अगर नहीं उसको निकालते तो देखिए मूल ये है कि वो कहाँ पड़ा हुआ था, एंड वी डिडंट, नो वन न्यू अबाउट इट. गोयनका जी निकाल के बर्मा के वहाँ से निकाल के ले आके, और उसके बाद मीडिया के जरिए ही यूज टेलीविजन, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फैक्ट दैट इतने बड़े स्तंभ भी खड़े किए, बट मीडिया यूज किए, वीडियोस एंड ऑल दैट, विच इज़ वाई यू आर डूइंग इट. इफ़ यू थिंक अबाउट इट, आपको पता कहाँ से चला, आप कहीं ना कहीं आस्था चैनल से, चैनल कोई चैनल में देखे हैं, यह करके उसके बाद आप पहुंच गए हैं वहाँ पे. तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम लोगों को इन्वॉल्व करें. सो पीपल्स मूवमेंट बनाने का मकसद है. दैट इज़ व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू हियर, नॉट जस्ट पुट अप वन नाइस लुकिंग गार्डन हियर एंड देयर. दैट इज़.
टीम में घुसा लीजिए बस.
So this research work and that your science and technology and BT together, we will have for our 2025-26. Let us prepare a joint this action plan. That means we are making a small policy with our institutional policy, in which this research park and this STBT together. And then here, our strength is the young graduates and all, how we can bring them into getting them to the village-oriented activities and product pushing. So initially, that type of funding and all will be there. We will do the planning for that.
इसमें सर दो चीज़ है, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम खड़गपुर में होता है. एंटरप्रेन्योर्स डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम वी आर डीप इनटू. 40% subsidy is there. There is no policy in this department. Now we are making 3 policy. One geospatial portal. Every other data is available. You can download. It's not PDF, not vector image. It's raster image. No, vector, not raster. It's interactive. Raster image you can take it, which is highly inaccessible. When I was doing PhD, I need to run from pillar to post. I have gone to all libraries in Delhi. So then I could come across some literature. उसमें लिप्सिस नहीं था, उसमें कुछ नहीं था, यूनिवर्सिटी AC.in नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था सर. तो हम लोग लाइब्रेरी पढ़ना पलटते थे. तो कहने का मतलब लॉट मैनी बायोटेक्नोलॉजी पॉलिसी, इट इज़ इन पाइपलाइन. Geo portal, it is in pipeline. I wanted to make some subsidy to the student, when a sharp student, so not subsidy, some scholarship kind of team to send them out. ये है MSME में है, वेस्ट बंगाल इंसेंटिव स्कीम. 40% subsidy on plant and machinery, whatever you install. But here we don't have. So like that lot many policy with your help, action plan बना के.
We are having those policies.
Our honorable CM is very much interested. Biotech is very vast field, sir. And we don't have any good company till now in Bengal, but lot of patents potential is there. So है ना, ऐसा ठीक है सर. तो I have taken lot many time, but I really इस दर्द अंदर का है, पूरा दिन चला जाएगा.
नहीं, आपका पैशन एकदम, we can feel it.